Hello students, this is Usha. Today we are going to discuss about animals world. In that unit, we are going to discuss about group of animals. That is unit 2 in your GK. Group of animals. There are many words for animal groups in English, but many of them are not usually used in everyday speaking. Here are the most common words for animal groups. Groups of animals, a colony of ants, a swarm of bees, flies, moths, butterflies. A swarm of bees. A flock of birds or geese. A flock of birds, a flock of geese. A herd of cattle, a herd of elephants, a herd of goats, a herd of pigs, a herd of sheep. A pack of dogs, a pack of wolves. A pack of dogs, a pack of wolves. A colony of rabbits. A colony of rabbits. A school of fish. A school of fish. A pride of lions. A pride of lions. A nest of snakes. A nest of snakes. A litter of puppies, kittens, other young animals. Litter refers to the group of babies that are born from one mother animal. That is litter of puppies. A herd of bison, cattle, a pod of whales, a pod of dolphins, a pod of killer whales. A litter of kittens, a litter of pigs, a litter of puppies, a colony of ants, a colony of birds, a colony of bats, a colony of seals, a troop of baboons, a troop of monkeys, a troop of gorillas. Next, a swarm of bees, a swarm of flies, a swarm of locusts. A pack of hounds, a pack of cats, a pack of wolves. A flock of sheep, a flock of seagulls, a flock of geese. A parade of elephants, a murder of crows. A smack of jellyfish, a pride of lions. A mob of kangaroos, a gang of elk. A covey of peasants, a wake of vultures. An embracement of panthers, an embracement of panthers. A tower of giraffes, a tower of giraffes. A parliament of wolves. All the animals, army of caterpillars. Group of animals, we learn few things. I hope all are understand this session. Thank you. Have a nice day.